Hey guys, it's Carter, and welcome to the 3-month anniversary since I put out a video calling for a crude oil pullback. And let me tell you, it was not a popular thing to say at the time, especially among the money managers who get paid to underperform in a suit. So if you didn't watch my last video, no problem. Here's a short clip of what I had to say.
This more or less looks like a corrective ABC move to me. 3 waves, not 5 waves. And yeah, I would anticipate a major pullback from this resistance because we're so stretched. The pattern to the upside is corrective. We're likely going to drop this support around $80. So this $80 pivot right here is the level I want to see break to the downside to really confirm that a top is in. And I do believe that this is going to be a much more major top we're about to make.
Thanks for watching that short clip. And you could see that when everyone was screaming and panicking about oil going to $200 a barrel, we did what we always do on this channel. We analyze price, not news, not fundamentals, nothing else. Price. So yeah, price told us we were likely going to see a pullback, and we did in fact pull back. So now that we have seen a nearly 40% pullback on the price of crude oil, what do I think comes next? Stick around and find out. All right, so we're on the daily chart here of WTI, and you can see we've seen a corrective looking pullback from the $119 high to around the $79.23 level we're trading at today, leaving the door open for quite the nice secondary reaction rally in the weeks and months to come. So I do believe that price is going to be supported by the low 70s or just sub $70 price level here in the days to come. And we are going to see a nice secondary reaction in oil back towards resistance, possibly towards the $100 mark once again here on oil. We have now seen an oversold indication here on the RSI 13 setting, which is the first time we've seen an oversold signal since April of 2025, where price had a 40% rally from around the $55 to $78 level here. So we saw about a 40% rally in the days and weeks and months to come after we saw an oversold indication here. So I do believe we are going to see a rally of similar magnitude if we do end up holding the just sub $70 support, which I do anticipate, by the way. I'm not anticipating for oil to crash below the $70 level and towards the $60, $50 levels right now. I don't anticipate that occurring. I do anticipate that oil will see a nice recovery rally in the weeks and months to come. However, just because I'm expecting a rally, a nice bounce, possibly 30, 40, 50% in the weeks and months to come here on WTI, I do not anticipate for oil to make new highs above the $119, $120 resistance in 2026. I don't think that's very likely. I don't think that's going to occur due to the magnitude of this pullback from the $119 highs. It's just not likely that we are going to see new highs here on oil. I do believe we've seen completion of an A, B, C pattern to the upside, and think we have a more likely chance of attacking the lows at $50 in the months and years to come rather than a direct breakout of 120. So that's what I think is coming. A rally back towards the possibly $100 level resistance in the weeks and months to come before we see further downside in the later part of this year or to continue in 2027. So a relief rally is what I'm anticipating here on oil, not a rally to new all-time highs. However, it could be quite the significant relief rally because we've seen a corrective pullback since the $119 high made in March. All right, that's all I have in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and have a good one. Stay safe in the markets.